guys, this is Scientist James Nick, and we're going to make a lava volcano today. And this is episode 2, because we did make it in the episode.
All right, what is the first step?
First step, you have to put in some water.
Okay, is the water hot or cold?
Hot.
Okay, pour it in there.
Put it up.
Almost to the top. Is it almost to the top?
Yes.
Okay. Put it in a squirt of dishwashing
But
detergent.
not all
No,
of
not yet. Put the dishwashing detergent liquid in. Remember, squirt.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
And next week you have to have this.
Just a squirt, not too much. That's good. Did it go in?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, now take your baking soda and put it in.
Baking soda where?
Right over here.
That.
All right.
And then you pour it in.
Okay. All right.
And then you put a little more of the water.
Wait a minute. You need to color it, right? Where's your flavored drink mix?
And next you need your flavor drink.
Oh, no. Okay, you can put it there. That's fine. All right.
And then to make a
All right. And pour your vinegar in.
What?
Pour your vinegar.
This?
Yeah.
And then pour the vinegar.
Whoa! Awesome. Tell them thank you for watching.